Audacia Cold Plunge Review for Athletes. Portable cold plunge with insulated lid water, chiller compatibility. So, is it worth it? So what is the Audacia Cold Plunge? It is a plunge tub and a portable, inflatable ice bath designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It holds over 200 gallons of water, built from rugged fiberglass reinforced PVC and tear-resistant polyester. It includes an insulated lid, water thermometer, non-slip mat, air pump, patch kit, and a care bag. So the pros of it is it has chiller-ready design, so it easily connects to water chillers, maintaining cold temperature without using ice. It also has a robust and portable materials, which are very durable and has quick inflation. It also has a large, comfortable capacity, so it offers full body immersion, suitable for different body types. It also has insulated craftsmanship, and the design is very steep, and they have a safety and convenience extras. So if you get a non-slip water absorbent mat for free, although there may be some cons of it though, like it has limited user reviews compared to other products. There's also no chiller included. So although they have chiller compatibility, there's no chiller included. It also has a setup footprint which is required to build it and use it. And they have no brand-wide reliability data. So overall, it is a powerful, portable solution for athletes seeking full immersion recovery, and its compatibility, insulated lid make it a versatile contender in its category.